This is the Chatter Newscast, coming to you from Reed Custer High School in Braidwood, Illinois.
Welcome to yet another episode of the Chatter Newscast.
We're here to fill on what you need to know about Reed Custer High School for the week of February 21st.
Let's get started with the headlines. There will be no school on Monday, February 21st, due to President's Day.
The teachers have a staff meeting from 3 to 4 p.m. on Wednesday, February 23rd.
Also on Wednesday, there will be freshman orientation at 6 p.m. Now let's send it over to Guidance Gossip.
Hi, I'm Tori.
And I'm Gabby.
And we have all the latest gossip
from Guidance. Making the most of your time in high school doesn't just mean getting good grades, but that is one part of it. As we've mentioned, of course, you want to put your best foot forward and attempt to get the best grades you can, but equally as important is that you explore the subjects and activities that may be of interest to you. When you choose your elective classes, think about which subjects one day may impact your future or career. Go out of your way to try your hand at a variety of extracurricular activities, clubs, and teams so you can determine which ones are your best fit. Beyond that, in the subjects or activities that do interest you, go above and beyond and seek out opportunities for further advanced learning, independent projects, or leadership positions. All of these actions will help you both make most of your time in high school and stand out as a motivated, self-driven, intellectually curious person, all of which colleges are seeking.
The Valley of Bloomington Scottish Rite offers 8 total scholarships. They each have separate criteria. It is for seniors only, and the maximum reward is $250. The deadline is March 1st, 2022. Visit the website below for more information. The cool career of the week is a data scientist. Data scientists bridge the gap between information, technology, and business. After collecting data, they sort and analyze the information to identify trends and provide useful information for decision makers. A growing number of organizations rely on data scientists, and the field offers high earning potential. The recommended education level is a master's degree in data science. Their national average salary is $96,000. That's all the gossip we have for you this week.
Now let's send it over to Comet Sports.
See you next week.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Comet Sports.
Hi, I'm Joey, and let's talk about boys basketball. Congratulations to the Comet boys for beating Wilmington on Saturday. The boys will go on to face El Paso at Wilmington on Wednesday, February 23rd at 6 p.m. The winner of Wednesday's game will go on to the game on Friday, February 25th at 7 p.m. in Wilmington.
Let's go, Comet!
Attention seniors, it's time to submit your senior slideshow pictures.
Please send in a baby picture, senior picture, and or group picture by February 25th to srslideshows2022@gmail.com. Please no more than 5 pictures.
If you would like to send in an original picture, please write your name on the back and you may give those to Kylie Tyree or Sylvia Crater and they will return it once it's scanned.
Monday is President's Day, so we will not be having one. Tuesday, February 22nd, we will be having hot dogs, baked beans, fruit, and milk. Wednesday, February 23rd, we will be having Bosco sticks, pasta salad, vegetables, fruit, and milk. Thursday, February 24th, we will be having mascacholi with meat sauce, breadsticks, vegetables, fruit, and milk. Friday, February 25th, will be the tried and true pizza day, along with vegetables, fruit, and milk. If pizza could talk, what would it say? Probably lots of cheesy things. Now here's your healthy tip of the week. Why should you make sleep a priority? There are some really good reasons why it's important. The neocortex is downgraded when you are tired, which means you are more likely to make risky or emotional decisions. This is one reason why there are increased incidents of cyberbullying, car accidents, drug use, self-harm, and suicide at night. People feel more anxious at night. This is because the limbic system fires up late at night, causing heightened emotions. This is meant to happen when you are actually asleep. Sleep is essential for cleaning out toxins that build up in your brain. Accumulation of those toxins can impact on brain and mental health. Stay healthy, Comets!
Hi, my name's Mara, and this week we'll be talking about this month's book club book. This month, book club will be reading You've Reached Sam by Dustin Thao. For more information, stop by the library to see Miss Can. And remember, a library is a hospital for the mind.
Hi, I'm Jessen.
And I'm Jana.
And we have the latest scoop
on all the clubs and activities. Let's start with the music department. The Ice Band Festival will be held at Streeter High School until 7 p.m. on Tuesday, February 22nd.
The RCMS Music Assembly will take place on Wednesday, February 23rd.
The JV Scholastic Bowl team will be competing at the conference tournament at home on Thursday, February 24th.
The next art club meeting will be from 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. on Friday, February 25th. That'll do it for this episode. Keep on clubbing, Comets!
Thanks for watching the Chatter Newscast.
We'll be back next week with another brand new episode.
Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook and Instagram. Before we go, here's your life's important things to remember for the week.
A person can grow to his or her fullest capacity only in mutually caring relationships with others. See you next week.